Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to sign in to my account, and then you have to check what is the per pay click. Okay, so in this video we have to talk about how to find the product pay per click, so when the people click and the product, then they will pay for you. Okay, so the company will pay for you. So here I will look at the phone, and then I'm going to check all the product. So all the products which is need to be click per pay per click only. So I need to find, because there is the type of a lot of campaign, so there's a different type of campaign. So now, but this campaign I would like to show you the per click, so pay per click, earn per click. So you have to per click to everyone, you get paid from the company, okay, from the product. So now we are searching now. So you are good through you have to find a way at the product, and then when you check the product, you have to check the campaign, and is it possible that this product is for pay per click. Okay, so here we go to the advertiser directory, and then here we'll find a way here at the filter. So we will double check again the product that which belongs to the pay per click. Okay, so here is how to promote that one, that pay per click. Okay, so now we are searching the product that which is really suit for that we're looking for now. And then you have to be, so you have to check this place. This one is click per sale, so we have to find, okay, so this one is click per sale. Okay, so not all the product pay per, you have to click per click, okay, pay per click. Okay, so you have to find now the product that which belongs to pay per click. Okay, so here, for example, this one, we have to choose the product. Now I'm searching the product, that we go to the advertiser director first, and then we will go through the filter. Okay, so here this is click per sale, and then we have to find the product, the click per pay per click, PPC. Okay, so that is says that PPC. So here we have to find a way which product it is. Okay, for example, we go this product I'm searching now, and then we have to double check, so the easiest way is the click per pay, pay per click. Okay, so we go through this place, the advertiser. We have to find a way at the advertiser. And then we have to do the, you can check most of the time, easy for you to promote the pay per click than the pay per sale. Okay, so you have, now the topic is pay per click, how to find the product of pay per click. Okay, so now we are searching here at the advanced filter. We go to pay per click, by example, by this one. Okay, you can see that I have already see CPC, click per click. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, CPC. Okay, click per okay, so this is the one. Easy for you guys, that you have to, you have to check which product that pay per click, and then which product are not belongs to that. So here we are searching now that you have to click per sale, click per click, or earn per click, or so there is the different type of campaign. So here we are searching here, and then you have to find a way the product. Right here, and then you can see again CPC, cost per click. Okay, you will see cost per click. So this is correct, CPC, cost per click. And then correct, you have to find a way the product, guys. Okay, so then you can press the apply which product you have to follow. Okay, so that is the best video and easy for you guys. I hope that for other question that you need, guys, you just message me and then I will answer one by one all of the question. Okay, so